In this video, we are going to learn how to create a pie chart in Tableau. So to create a pie chart in Tableau, you go to the marks card, and from this drop down, you choose pie. As you may have noticed, when you choose pie, you get angle added to the mark card. This angle is only available when you're working with pie charts. Alright, so we are going to build a pie chart that shows cells by region, and to do that, we grab cells and put it over angle, and we get a round thing. Then we get segment and put it on color, and now we have a pie chart that shows each segment and the number of cells by segment, right? And now for us to label this, we'll hit control on the keyboard or command and drag the segment to label. Now we have label attached to it. We could also click control and drag cells to label. So now we have the department and the number of cells attached to it. And of course, we could do entire view to have a bigger view of this. And over here is your color legend. I'll drag it down here, and this is a pie chart. Now most times pie charts get a bad reputation because people are not using it effectively, but in this case you can quickly make comparison between the whole. So a pie chart is supposed to show comparison adding up to 100% between the whole, right? So this is like, in this situation, pie chart works because you can quickly visualize that, hey, consumer has the most cells, followed by corporate, and followed by home office. There's no confusion about anything. So if I drag something like, let's say, category to something like rows, now we have multiple pie charts, and now we are comparing different pie charts. This is really bad. It's very difficult for human beings to visually compare pie charts and be like, so corporate in furniture, does it have more or less cells than corporate in office supplies or corporate in technology? Comparison like this is best done using something like a bar graph. So this is a better comparison between category, segment, and cells. Trying to compare the cells between each category and segment using a bar graph in this situation is better. But if you are trying to do it with a pie chart, then that's not a good idea, because here you can quickly see that technology has more cells than furniture in the corporate segment. So this is an easy and quick comparison, and you won't be deceiving your users, right? But if you change this to a pie chart, then it can become deceptive. And of course, for this to be a pie chart, we probably need to rebuild this. Let's put this on angle, and let's take category here, and let's take segment out. Yeah, so we can take to label, and then control this to label. There we go. So if you're trying to build a pie chart like this can be deceptive, because it's difficult for people to quickly visualize and compare between different departments and different categories. But if you remove category and just have a single pie chart like this, then this is a whole lot better, and this is fine, and you're not deceiving your end users, and you can quickly make the comparison between consumer, corporate, and home office cells. And of course, if we go here to cells, we can format this. We can format this to custom currency, no decimal places, for it to have the $sign in front of it. So this is one way to build a pie chart. Another way to build a pie chart is using show me. So let's go ahead and create a new sheet, and from here I could click on cells, press and hold Control and click on segment, and then go to show me. And as you can see, pie chart is one of the items that shows up in show me. Just click on it and you have your pie chart. And of course you could press, click and hold. You can click Control and click segment and drag it to cells to label it. I messed up. There we go. To add labels, and of course you can customize it as you see fit. So you can build pie chart by doing pie, cells to angle, segment to color, or alternatively you can select the items you want, something like this, and show me and pie, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.